Okay, so today I just got done fixing my RC car, so it will drive a whole lot faster now. Hits the brakes a whole lot easier, and drives a whole lot faster than it used to. And, favorite thing, digs up grass. And, like usual, flips over. It's nothing new. So we're gonna just kind of sit here, drive it around, see what happens from there. Ooh, that was a perfect one. Ooh. Just barely. Pulling the neighbor's driveway, down the street. Oh! I biffed that badly. Like, everly so badly. I'm not even sure if that's possible. Not, gotta go get it. It's not gonna get itself. I wanna see if I can jump it over that piece right there. I normally go down by that little speed bump down there, but trying it somewhere else today. Let's see and find out. Oh, jeez. There's no way no one cannot hear that. Oh, God. What just happened? Oh, God. I'm pressing the gas, but it's not doing nothing. That ain't good. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Something's wrong with it. Oh, my freaking God. Well, gotta take it back home, fix it again, and, well, everything did turn out great until just now. It's broken. Now I need to go fix it again. Let you know when we're back inside. Okay, well, it's like completely broken. The thing's done for, so we'll continue on tomorrow once I fully fix it. So peace.